Crypto Knowledge. Welcome to this video on Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Ethereum, its history, and how it differs from other cryptocurrencies. Let's start. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications, also known as dApps. It was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, a Russian-Canadian programmer. The main difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is primarily used as a digital currency. Ethereum is designed to be a platform for building decentralized applications. This means that developers can use Ethereum's blockchain to create decentralized marketplaces, social networks, prediction markets, and more. Ethereum uses its own cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH, as a means of payment for the execution of smart contracts and dApps. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. They allow for transactions to occur without the need for intermediaries such as banks or other financial institutions. Ethereum's blockchain is also unique in that it allows for the creation of custom tokens, which can be used as a means of payment within dApps or as a form of investment. These tokens are often referred to as ERC-20 tokens, and they are a popular way for startups to raise funds through initial coin offerings, or ICOs. One of the most significant advantages of Ethereum is its scalability. Ethereum 2.0, which is set to launch in the near future, will introduce a new consensus mechanism called proof of stake, which will significantly reduce the amount of energy required to validate transactions on the blockchain. In addition to being a blockchain platform, Ethereum is also a community of developers and enthusiasts who are working to build a more decentralized and democratic world. This community is constantly working on improving the platform, and there are countless projects being built on top of Ethereum's blockchain. However, Ethereum, like all cryptocurrencies, has its challenges. One of the most significant challenges facing Ethereum is its transaction speed, which can be slow during times of high demand. Another challenge is the issue of security, as there have been numerous high-profile hacks and thefts of Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies over the years. Despite these challenges, Ethereum remains one of the most exciting and promising cryptocurrencies in the world. Its ability to enable the creation of decentralized applications and custom tokens has led to the development of a vibrant ecosystem of startups and entrepreneurs who are working to build a better future. That's all for this video on Ethereum. We hope you found it informative and that it helped you understand the basics of this exciting cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching.